Well, welcome back, my friends, to another rousing rendition. I'm going to put this where I don't forget it. That thing I always try to turn off video with and never works. Welcome back, my friends, to another rousing rendition of Choir Boys Cutlery. 22 veterans a day in this country take their own lives. It's a number that's it's mind-blowing, okay? Every time I think about it, I think about it a lot, especially since we've taken up this cause. Vets, I don't have answers. I wished I did. One thing I can do is continually shout it out. It doesn't get cliched and it doesn't get redundant. It's tragic. And I want to say this to the veteran community. I know that it's a very small percentage of veterans that take their own lives. I know that. But 22 a day, son, anything over 0 is too many. That's why it's on my mind. Vets are strong, they're tough, they're the backbone of the nation. And thank you for your sacrifice and thank you for your service. I respect it. That's all I can do, and all I can do is raise awareness. So to those of you who may be in a bad place mentally, please reach out to someone you trust. Please get help. We'll put a number at the end of the thing, at the end of the video, and I try to, most videos, or go back and put a number that you can call with trained professionals. So veterans, thank you. That's all I can say. We back the blue over here. Scab, how do you do that? Well, we don't break the damn law. Pretty easy. And finally, if you're an addict, never quit quitting. Well, let's get into the video. Couple parts today to it. Obviously, we got a quick unboxing. And then we're going to do a what's in our pocket. Well, let's do the what's in our pocket first, shall we? What I'm going to carry today is the Off-Grid Knives Rhino. It's a bigger knife, you can see that. D2 steel, grippy G10. I did a video yesterday, put it on Instagram and YouTube, with the Viper and the Back Country Blackout. Two great knives. I love doing it. Just some quick tests, just some stuff. It's not meant to be some big comprehensive deal. It's just to show you and give you my thoughts on them. I've carried this now for a couple weeks. This thing, y'all know I like a bigger pocket knife anyway. I got a bigger hand, but this thing gets it done. D2 steel is good steel to me. I like it. I'm not saying it's a super steel, but it's a very workable steel, and I enjoy using it. Sorry, Lola. Lola's trying to come in and she can't. That means she went mad here in a minute, knocked the door down. Come on, Hot Rod. Come on, baby. There she comes. There we go. There we go. All right. So this is what's in my pocket today, or one of the things. Let's compare it. Here's something else. I carry at least 3 pocket knives, 4 usually, but 3 every day. I'm also carrying my Medford Praetorian T that I actually use. I know that irritates a lot of folks to death, but I do use it. And also, to give you another size comparison, my Emerson CQC 8. Now, I'll either have this CQC 8 on me or my 7 on me every single day, no matter what. If it's Sunday, go to meeting, that we'll carry the 7. It's a little smaller, but I carry this every day. Now, the reason I like the Off-Grid knives is they have that, they almost have, like Emerson, you feel like Emerson, it's a tough knife, it's a work knife, it's a purpose-built knife. That's what it is. And that's what I feel about these Off-Grids. Very tough, got a little jimping back here. It is a liner lock, locks up good. Locks up really good. I didn't notice how good it was in there. And just a basic design. It's a good looking knife. Not a lot of frills, a little bit of jimping back here again. I like the way the blade shape. Off-Grid. And let me just say this again, the goal here is not to push anybody. The goal here is to give you an overall view of as many different knives as I can. Most of the knives you see, I own. Nobody sends me anything. I'm talking about forest companies. I got friends that do, actual friends, Kurt and Dale, and those guys let me use them. Richard, Jimbo. And that leads me into the next part of the video. We are at 911 subs, okay, on YouTube. 911. At 950, my guy Jimbo is donating a brand new SE7 to do a giveaway. So at 950, we're going to give away an SE7. Great knife. I love the knife. Jimbo, thank you for doing it, man. I can't believe you're doing it, but thank you. See, that's the thing about this channel, man. There's a lot of people that's involved with it. It's not just my channel. I'm the face, you know, good looks. But there's a lot of people who put a lot of time and a lot of effort to help us get growing. We've only been doing it about 8 months. I think we're doing pretty damn good to be at 911 in under 8 months. So at 950, we'll give away an SC7. Then at 1,000, we'll give away a D-Bad Preacher. And if it hadn't made it in yet, that's fine. I'm going to give away something with tops, and when the D-Bad comes in, we're going to give it away. D-Bad is Donnie B all day. He has a YouTube channel, another integral part of this channel, of its growth, along with other people. Y'all hear me shout them out all the time. I try to do that all the time. And you know, if I don't catch in one, I'll catch in the other. So at 950 and 1,000, we're having a giveaway. We're at 911. So please, I don't like doing this at all. It's rare that I do it, but well, last few videos I have, but please hit like and subscribe and hit share. Share the video for the 22 veterans a day. Please do that. And please hit subscribe. We want to haul ass into 1,000, and we'll keep growing. The bigger platform, the more we can shout out to 22. Now, the last part of the video is simply this. When I'm home, I guess the dogs feel like they, you know, they've got to be priority number one 24/7, and if they're not, you know, they don't like closed doors, don't like any of that. What they hadn't figured out is I don't give a damn if they like it or not. I say that, I'll be right out there letting them out. So, we're back. Last part of the video. Want to kind of keep it quick. As quick as my videos are going to be. An unboxing. What do we have? Let's see, shall we? Now, I've been using Smoky Mountain a lot. I like them. I went ahead. Let me do this real quick, because I might put this one on Instagram too, I don't know. But for the folks on Instagram, every box I unbox, my YouTube people know this. For every box I unbox, I use this knife. It's called the Smith knife. Freddie Smith made me this knife some time ago, and he gave it to me July 31st of 2020. That's the day his son, who was one of my best friends on this planet, died, Eric. It's the day Eric died. And Mr. Smith gave me this knife. So this knife I use to open every box. It never leaves the room. And we're in the war room, by the way. There's 1,000 videos on the war room. But I did want to mention that knife. And Mr. Smith, if you're watching, I do greatly appreciate it still. It blows my mind still to this day. Now, into the video. I know a lot of people don't like unboxing videos, and in particular they don't like my unboxing videos because we kind of just move through it. I just want to show y'all the knives and kind of move on. Now, I got 2 Condors. Y'all know I've been on a Condor kick. I bought the Atrox, the Undertaker Bowie, the Moonshiner, the Moonstalker, the Scimitar, and something else. I can't remember. But I'm just on the the Hudson Bay that we gave the Shredder. And that, if you're not watching the Shredder, you need to be. They're coming on. It's the Shredder is 10 or 11, and his dad, and it's a father and son that have a YouTube channel, have a knife channel, and they're bonding. And man, it's awesome. They've got Mama Shredder out there on Mondays with Mama, and they're just doing a jam up job. I love the channel. Being a father, it really speaks to me, and everybody that's watched has really enjoyed it. So we sent them the Hudson Bay. They needed felt like they needed a bigger knife, and we got them one, huh? And they did a great job testing. Woo-wee! They did a great job testing it. Now, I got a couple different. One of the things I like about the Condors is the aesthetics of them. Okay, now what this one is the Blue River Machete. And first, let's look at the sheath. It's a leather sheath. Beautiful sheath. I mean, they do a jam up job. Got some Indian looking stuff there. I don't know what that is. It's blue, part of the Blue River, I guess. But it's beautiful. See that? I like it. I love the sheath. I love leather sheaths. A lot of times, though, you'll see me with Kydex sheath, or we make a Kydex sheath for a knife. That's because living in Florida with 1,000% humidity every day, if you catch it wrong, you can ruin a sheath. But I do love this. Beautiful. And let's take a look. Now, I got this because while he said machete, it looks a lot like a knife. But y'all know I love my choppers. Y'all know I love my bigger knives. That's my first love. That's what this channel typically will gravitate to. Now, we do all kind of stuff. Man, look at this thing. And we're going to do some testing with it this afternoon. I've got quite a few errands to run, but we'll do something. Man, look at that. Now, now. I'd say it's about 1/8 inch thick, so it's not super thick. Man, it feels good in hand. Hardwood handle. Man, that is nice. Fit and finish on this one's really good. I'm really impressed by Condor. I mean, I really am. There's always the one-offs. There's always the, well, mine wasn't this or that. And I get that. I understand that. But I've had great luck and great items come in. And it's got a lanyard here. I like that. Man, that's really nice. So that's the first one. This is the Blue River Machete, 1075 steel, hardwood handle. These things always come in sharp as shit, man. Super sharp. I've only had one or two out of the ones I named you that I really touched up. Now, I hit every knife with a strop before using it a whole lot. Like, I'll use it and I'll strop it up, just so y'all know when you see it. Yeah, we'll do right out of the box, but I do, sometimes I'll strop the knife, okay? Sometimes I'm just excited. I take the damn thing out there and do something with it, and then I strop it. Look at that. That's gorgeous. I believe it said it had a 10-inch blade. Might have been more prepared. I'd have known that, wouldn't I? But I'm not real worried about it. One thing I will say about Condor sheaths on the leather ones, it does take a little bit of time to work it in and get that fit just right. But hey, it's perfect. I love this knife. Condor, great job, guys. Phenomenal job. I wish y'all did better on your stickers, but hey, I can't complain a whole lot, even though I'm going to. All right, so there's the first one. Now, let's go with the second one. Go with the second one right here. Now this one was their chopper, their wood chopper. I believe that's what it's called. This one caught my eye. I hadn't seen this one before. I'm curious to see it. It is their wood chopper. Alright, same deal, leather sheath. Pretty thick leather sheath on this one now. Black, it's black. Leather, good looking sheath. I like that. Now, this one has the micarta handles. Thick handle, man. Ooh-wee! Look at him, look at him. Man, that's a quarter, if not better. I don't know if there's any way. To show y'all, the handle is much thicker. I like that handle. I like everything about this handle. Condor has great handle. This thing's thick. It reminds me thickness-wise of like the Preacher. Let's see if I don't know if y'all can see that. Thickness-wise. I could probably get closer to the camera. Look at that. Look at the different thickness there. That is incredible. Beautiful, beautiful knife. Y'all know we're going to have to put this bad boy to the test. Well, guys, listen. That was about wood buster. I said wood chopper. This is the Condor wood buster. Different point. They call it a reverse Tonto. I believe it's like 9.5. But man, this ain't nothing but a straight chopper. So y'all know it's going to get put to the test. Well, guys, listen. I love y'all. God bless y'all. Remember to share this video. Remember our 22 a day. I'm Scab. You're not. Son, I'm gone.